How do you know Ketan Kadakia received any commission in this case? Was there any political influence in this case?
कौन सा allegation है?
Made by Rajiv Kothari. You have been summoned by EOW. Are you going?
Money laundering, rape, fraud. The dark, sinister underbelly of Bollywood is being ripped open again. 3 high-profile scandals in just 1 year. It began with the fall of forgotten actor Dino Moria, followed by shocking rape allegations against television actor Ashish Kapoor. And now, the spotlight turns again onto the controversial empire of the Kundras. Big names, bigger secrets. The city of dreams is now once again shadowed by scandals. Businessman Raj Kundra and his star wife Shilpa Shetty were summoned by the Economic Offences Wing. They were accused of defrauding a business partner. ₹60 crores, one business partner, 2 Bollywood names at the center. Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty now face serious allegations from business partner Deepak Kothari, who accuses the power couple of massive financial fraud. But the bigger question remains, how did the Kundras get into this mess? And more importantly, how did they manage to stay untouched for so long?
The allegations are very clear. They approached our client Mr. Deepak Kothari for a loan. They thereafter, using their aura, they influenced him. They made representations to him that instead of a loan, you please structure it as an investment which will have benefits and taxation for you, as well as it will help us to take this. Mr. Deepak Kothari is a known industrialist. He also runs a non-banking finance company, a NBFC, and therefore they had approached him through a mediatory to get loan for their company.
Deepak Kothari drops a bombshell. Between 2015 and 2023, he claims Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty siphoned off 60 crore rupees. Instead of expansion, Deepak Kothari alleges that funds meant to grow their venture Best Deal TV simply vanished. Deepak Kothari claims Shilpa Shetty resigned from Best Deal TV in 2016 and told him so over a single email. So why is she now neck deep in a 60 crore fraud case? Was she really out or never out at all?
Shilpa Shetty, who was the director of that Best TV Private Limited when she got the loan, in 2016 she mailed to Deepak Kothari that she resigned from that company. Is it right?
Yes, one day prior she did send an email, but there was a tag along right. It's a detailed matter. If you go through the papers, these are technicalities which of course the investigating agency, to ensure that justice is done irrespective of the celebrity status, and we hope that justice is done irrespective of the celebrity status, an appropriate investigation and due process of law is followed. Somebody being a celebrity should not get benefit of being a celebrity. Process of law should be followed and should be strictly followed as it is done in other matters.
Raj Kundra, a businessman and a husband of Bollywood actor Shilpa Shetty, has been summoned by Economic Offence Wing Mumbai Police in connection with cheating of rupees 60 crore, and the summon received by Raj Kundra initially asked to appear before 10 September, but Raj Kundra requested an extension and finally is scheduled for 15 September, Monday.
This isn't the first time the Kundras have landed under the police scanner. In 2021, Raj Kundra was arrested for allegedly producing and distributing pornographic content. Back in 2024, Raj Kundra fiercely defended his wife's name as the spotlight turned to her once again during his adult films scandal. Despite the cases filed against him left, right and center, the arrogance of his star status and vulgar display of his wealth refuses to cease.
Raj Kundra, what is your response?
कौन सा एलिगेशन मैम?
Made by Rajiv Kothari.
आ जाएगा बाहर जल्दी.
You have been summoned by EOW.
Thank you,
Are you going?
But Raj Kundra is far from the only player shielding Bollywood's glittering facade. When Dino Moria was hauled before the administration over the Methi River scam, he avoided our tough questions and slammed the door in our faces, silence louder than any denial.
Is Ketan Kadam your business partner? Do you know? Please answer the question. Do you know, is Ketan Kadam your business partner? Did you introduce Ketan Kadam to PMC? Did you use any political influence to introduce Ketan Kadam to PMC? Do you know? There are some transaction between you and Ketan Kadam. What is your answer? What is your answer on that? Do you know what is your answer on that?
So what you're going to do is,
Is Ketan Kadam your business partner? What do you say on these serious allegations against you, Dino? Can you say something? Dino Moria?
In another case, a celebrated TV serial actor has been pulled into a 14-day custody over allegations of horrifying sexual assault charges in Delhi. Now out on bail, but the investigation is far from over.
And so, when did you arrest the main accused?
Yeah, the main accused was arrested on Tuesday from Pune.
Since how long you have been looking for him, because he has evaded national capital and then he went to Goa. Did he also visit Mumbai?
Mumbai we don't know, but yes, his location earlier he was absconding, then his location was traced to Goa, then we reached Goa, but then he slipped away from Goa, then he was location was traced to Pune, and then we reached Pune and we were able to arrest him.
Did the accused accept that he committed this crime?
Usually that is all part of investigation, I cannot reveal it here.
So far, did you recover any CCTV footage from that?
CCTV footages was recovered, witness testimonies are there. There are evidences which are relevant to the investigation of the case.
इसके अंदर बहुत सारे आधार हैं. इसके अंदर एक तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन टेंटेड है और जिस मैनर के अंदर एफआईआर लॉन्च हुई और जिस तरह के जो एलिगेशन है वो सस्टेनेबल एलिगेशंस नहीं थे और इन्वेस्टिगेशन के अंदर जिस तरह से इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग एजेंसी फाउल प्ले कर रही थी, बहुत सारे इसके अंदर और भी ग्राउंड थे जिसके को बेस बनाते हुए बेल ग्रांट हुई है. इसके अंदर जो एलेज ये किया गया था कि भाई 1 by 1 4 लोगों ने उनको रेप कराया और उसके बाद उनकी वीडियो भी शूट करी है, लेकिन इंसिडेंट के बाद की और इंसिडेंट से पहले की जो वीडियो है वो कुछ और सजेस्ट कर रही थी इसके अंदर.
The Mumbai police had filed an FIR and issued a lookout circular against Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty, preventing them from leaving the country. Authorities had launched a detailed probe examining company records and financial transactions. The case, however, remains under intense scrutiny.
देखिए, सारे एलिगेशंस झूठे हैं. इस एलिगेशंस में कोई भी ट्रुथ नहीं है. अभी तक एफआईआर की कॉपी हमारे पास आई नहीं है. जब एफआईआर की कॉपी हमारे पास आएगी तो हमको पता चलेगा एग्जैक्ट एलिगेशंस क्या है. उस बेसिस पे हम लोग आगे का रिकॉर्स, लीगल रेमेडी जो भी होगा उसको हम अडॉप्ट करेंगे. लेकिन आपको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये ट्रांजैक्शन काफ़ी पुराना है. 7-8 साल पुराना ट्रांजैक्शन है. अगर किसी को भी लगता है कि उनके साथ गलत हुआ है, उनको किसी को भी लग रहा है कि मुझे चीट किया गया, वो 8-10 साल नहीं रुकता कंप्लेंट करने के लिए.
Though the Kundras remain steadfast in claiming their innocence, with scandal after scandal erupting, how long can Bollywood mask its ugly underbelly behind glitz and glamour when the stench keeps seeping through its closet of buried bones?